How to delete sections in Squarespace. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete sections on Squarespace. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to squarespace.com. You will get right here. Then you're going to log into your Squarespace account. You can see account.squarespace.com. You're going to select the website you want to delete sections from and you want to edit. So I'm going to select this website. It'll take me to my Squarespace editor. So here we have different options. You can see we have our pages, design, and others. In pages, you're going to select the page you want to change these sections for. So I'm going to select the home page, which is this one. Then click on edit. And here I will be able to now edit my page. You can see we have add section option here and we have other sections already added. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit to select a section. Let's say we have this section right here. You can see it's an image section that I added. So you just need to select that section, click on it, and you will see this blue line for the section. It says edit section, and then we have different options to move or copy. And then we have this bin right here which says remove. So you can just click on the remove option. Are you sure you want to remove this section? Click on remove and that section will be deleted from your website. You can see now it no longer exists. So this is how you can remove a section on Squarespace. It's really easy. Just select the section and then click on this remove option to delete it. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.